Hi guys, I'm Laura from Shmile Bakes, and today I'm going to show you how to do a smooth yet delicious Swiss buttercream. I'm going to give you the 3 best tips to get this result even if this is your first time. I don't know about you, but the first time that I did buttercream, it made me really nervous. Just the thought of combining the raw egg whites, the sugar, the double boiler. I feel like there were so many little details that I was like, can I do this? Turns out you can. Well, I was able to, you will be able to. It's such an easy recipe, it's such an easy buttercream. Now it's my go-to for cakes, cupcakes, macaron fillings. You can flavor it also, you can do chocolate, vanilla, coffee, anything you like, you can make it happen. So today we're gonna do that together. We're gonna do a step by step, and I will advise you to stay till the end of the video, just because like any recipe you read, a lot of a lot of questions come up, and usually they get answered by the end of it. So stick around, let's do this together, and hopefully you'll be eating something good after this.
Here we go, guys. Our ingredients are ready. We have vanilla extract, room temperature butter, egg whites, and our granulated sugar on a metal bowl. Please use a metal bowl, not a glass one, because it's gonna take you double the time to melt this sugar. Now, put those egg whites, grab your whisk, give it a wonderful shake. All of this, we're gonna make sure everything is incorporated. Now, by tip number 1, guys, please use room temperature butter. A lot of people try to skip this step, but honestly, it's what gives you that smooth, silky texture on your buttercream. Now we're gonna move this to a double boiler, and we're gonna keep whisking. I like to stand next to it and just help the sugar disintegrate. It takes about 10 to 15 minutes. You're gonna keep whisking until it looks a little lighter on color. Always remember, no water must be touching the bowl. You don't wanna cook those egg whites. Now, keep whisking, keep whisking. What I usually do is I grab a spoon, I dip it, I touch it with my fingers after, and if I don't feel any more grains of sugar, it means the mixture is ready. I can go ahead and transfer this to my mixing bowl. Also, if you have a thermometer, you can use that. It has to reach at least 164 degrees. So just keep that in mind. Grab your whisk attachment. We're gonna get into the meringue part, the airy part. Who doesn't love meringue, guys? I love it. Okay, after a couple of minutes, and once you realize the meringue is pretty much fluffed up, also the bowl is at room temp. It's no longer hot. That's the key part here. We're gonna go ahead and switch from a whisk to a paddle. This is tip number 2, guys. We're switching from whisk to a paddle. If you have a little technical problems, like I usually do, it's gonna take you a couple minutes, but you know, it's just how it is. Okay, let's start to work that. I usually have it on speed 4. It looks a little fast because I speed up this video. Clearly you don't want to see me doing this in slow-mo. So just remember to add your room temp butter slowly with the paddle on 4. Let it incorporate, let it work their issues out. You can stop and scrape as many times as you feel necessary. I usually do it about 2 to 3 times just because I want to make sure whatever it's on the walls of the bowl or at the bottom, remember a lot of the meringue can get stuck and you just want to help this buttercream come together. So I like to stop and scrape as many times as I feel necessary. Add your vanilla extract. Honestly, I kind of forgot, so I added it now, but you can add it while you're adding your butter, but just go ahead and do it, you know. And we're here at tip number 3, guys. You have to mix on low. That's the key. Let it go on low. It's gonna incorporate. It's gonna look like this at first, but then you're gonna see a stable, silky buttercream. So let it work on low.
Oh God, amazing. One extra tip that I can give you is that when you're finished, you can use the same bowl or transfer it to another big bowl and grab your buttercream and press it down against the bowl. Press it down, press it down. That will take out even more air that you might have accumulated. Okay guys, our buttercream is ready. I went ahead and put a little bit on my pastry bag with a tip so I can show you a little bit how does it look. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. Remember the 3 tips. You need room temperature butter, you need to switch from whisk to paddle when you're adding the butter, and you want to mix on low. You want to avoid adding more air than the meringue already did. So I hope this make your buttercream journey a little bit easier. You can find me also on social media, Shmile Bakes on Instagram, also on Facebook. Comment down below, give it a like, and let me know how it goes. Enjoy your baking, and yeah, I'll see you next time.